So last time with Static.app, I didn't realize that it was $6 a month. They have this free plan, but it only lasts for 7 days. So this is now using render.com, and you can go to render.com, you can sign up, and I'm going to show you how you can get a build with Nomie. Now it's not as easy, it's a little bit more technical, but what we're going to do is we're going to start here. Well, once you're logged in on the dashboard, you're going to select new static site. You're going to scroll down to a public Git repository, and you're actually going to paste in Nomie 6's GitHub repo URL, which is at github.com/open-nomie or open-nomie/nomie6-oss. We're going to hit continue, and we're going to put in a name here, so we're just going to say N6OSS. You're going to have to do something unique. The branch we're going to pick is from master. The root directory you're going to leave blank. The build command is going to be npm run vbuild. And make sure you got your v in there. And then the public directory is going to be /dist. And that basically is saying take the code, do npm run vbuild, which will build the whole application. And when it's built, it will get put into this dist thing or folder. And so then we say create the static site. And then what we're going to do is you're going to wait for quite a while. So unlike the zip, which is pretty much a pre-built version of Nomie, this is actually going to build it in real time. So it's going to go, it's going to get the code from it, it's going to check out the latest branch, and then it's going to do an npm install. It's going to install the dependencies and basically build it from scratch. And so we're going to sit here and wait for it, and I will cut. Okay, so that was about 5 minutes, and the site is now live, and you'll see it down here that the site is now live, and we have our URL, and we can just click that, and it's going to take us to Nomie. Again, the key with this is it really needs to be on a secure server, so you need to have a secure domain. They give you one for free, so in this case it's n6oss.onrender.com. That won't be there because I'll end up deleting this. But now we have a working version of Nomie. Now what's interesting about this approach is that every time a new change happens in the master branch, meaning that if the developers are working on it, a new feature is pushed, a new update is pushed, the site will automatically be built. This is good and bad because if something goes wrong, it could break the build. But if it doesn't, then you're constantly up to date. So pros and cons of each. If you want to go super simple and have it be very consistent, you go with a Static.app. You're going to pay $6 a month, and you're going to have a fixed version of Nomie. If you want to have a free one, you got to go through a few more steps like we just did with this render.com, and it is free. This version is free. Now I'm sure there's some upgrades you can do to get it to do different things, but this should pretty much satiate most of the people. Good luck!